Can you see my screen?
Yes.
All right. So A++, guys. How can you explain this? A++. What's the definition of this A++? Does it change the value of variable? Does it change the variable? A++. Variable is changing, right? Variable is gonna be increased by 1. So here, the value of A becomes
51,
54.
52,
52.
53.
Here 53. So A++ changes the value. All right. Which one, guys, seems which one would you prefer using this way or this way? Which one is shorter and takes less time?
A plus plus double plus.
It takes less time. A++. So now, what's the value we're gonna see in the output? Values.
No, it's just 51.
51.
And then 51. 50
Yeah.
and then 51.
And 50.
50 and 51.
50 and then 51. How about now, guys?
51.
51.
Same.
50 and 51
50.
again. Nothing has changed. So we just simplified the expression. Instead of this, we can use A++. How about this, guys? This code. What's gonna be printed? 50.
56 and 50. I
So
think.
it's gonna be 50 and then no. It's gonna be 50 and then 55.
Yeah.
Doesn't how many system out print lines we have? Only one. So
Two.
only two.
Oh.
All right. Becomes 52, 53, 54, 55. All right. Next. I'm gonna show you one more thing. So you can copy it, guys.
I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
So first one is system out println A, it's printing 50, and this 50 getting incrementing, and then we are printing out the result, right? The
Yeah.
first, yeah.
Tim, how about now, guys? How about Tim? How about now? What's gonna be the values in the output? 50 and 50, right? 50 and 50, because it is printed before the values increased. So A++ will increase the value of A by 2, right? By 1, always by 1. All right, 50 and 52. Next. How can I increase, guys, the value of variable by 5? Let's do this. It is 51. And I would like to add to variable A 5 to see this in the output. I would like to see 50 and then 56. What can we do here? I'd like to see in the output this 50 and 56. If we run it now, it prints 50 and 51. How can we make it 56?
6 times.
I think we can just do we need to increment it all the time?
So yeah, I'm gonna teach the students another thing. First way, guys, we can do 56, right? Yeah, this is the first way. This is the second way to have this multiple times. but it creates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines of code, 5 more. You can do this. A plus equal 5. It will add to A 5. It will add to your A 5. Let's run it. It is 50 and 56. Why it's no more 50 and 51? So here we add to the 50, we add 1. We make it A plus 1. And it is stored in the variable. Here, this one makes A plus 5, which is, what's the value here? 56. So A is 51 plus 5. It becomes 56. How about now, guys? A plus equal 29. What values we're gonna see in the output? Don't run, guys, Java program. Let's calculate it.
It's 56 plus 29, right? The
Mhm.
result.
It is 50
Is it 80 or?
and 55. So here we added to the variable A 5. Here we add to variable A, what number? Is it
29.
1? No,
20,
it's changed to 56 after the
56, yeah.
plus 29.
29. 85. Yeah.
It is 85. All right. We can do this, guys, even. A multiplied by 2. It does this. A equal to A multiplied by 2. So what's going to be for this one? 170, right? Yeah. It is just a shortcut, guys. It is a shortcut for this expression. How about now, guys? A equals A times 2. Is it 50 and 170 again? Yeah, it's the same thing. So here, A becomes 85, and we assign to variable A, to that container, to that box, a new value. 85 multiplied by 2, which is 170. So we can shorten it by making here A multiplied equal 2. We can do division as well, guys. A divide equal 10. What do you think? What's going to be the value of A?
17.
17, right? 50 and 17. How about this one? A, this. Yeah, it will,
10.
yeah, it will decrease 17 by 7. It decreases it by 7. So it is 10 at the end. 50 and 10. At the end, it is 10. What's the initial value of variable A? What's the initial value of variable A?
50.
50.
Initial value, it is 50. Then we increase it by 1. 51 we get. Increase it by 5. 56 we get. Increase it by 25. 85. Multiplied by 2. 170. 170 is divided by 10. So this is a shorter way for this expression. We get here, after this expression,
17.
17. And then 17 decreased by 7. Subtracted 7. So this is how we get 10. 17 minus 7. Right, let's open the presentation. All right. So this is increment, this is decrement. Is it true that increment always increases the variable by 5? It increases the variable by 1 always. And decrement decreases it by 1. Modulus is an operator that finds out what's the remainder if we make division. Remainder for this one is 1. Right, we know this common arithmetic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. All right. Is it true that, guys, at the end here, it's gonna be 0 in the output, the last line? What do you think? Is it true or not? The last line is gonna be value 0.
Yes. Because there is no remainder.
Yeah. 10 modulus 5. No remainder, 0. All right. All other, I believe we know. 10 plus 5, 15. 10 minus 5, 5. Multiplied 50, divided is 2. All right. Precedence, guys, precedence of the operator. What's the result, guys, for the first expression? Is it 50 or 30 or 20?
It's 20.
20.
20, right. Because first first one is multiplication. The order begins with the multiplication. So Java follows the standard math order that we all know from school. All right, how can we get, guys, 30 here from this expression? What should we change in this expression to get 30?
Yeah, we need to put
Take in
parentheses.
In brackets 10 plus 5.
Here we can put, yeah, we can make this 5, 10, right? And then it's gonna be 30, or we can put this parenthesis. All right. So without parentheses, multiplication happens before addition. Multiplication, division, modulus. All right. How about this, guys? 10 modulus 5 multiplied by 10. What's the value for this?
0.
0.
Yeah, it's 0. How about this, guys?
20.
20, yeah.
10 modulus, because 10 modulus 5 is
0.
0. 0 multiplied by 10 is 0.
Do we need to put it in the parentheses, the first?
So, yeah, so first here is the modulus. First is modulus here. Next one is the multiplication. If it was like this, the expression, multiplication and then modulus, what's the result, guys? 0. 0. Right, it is 0. How about this? 10 modulus 3 divided by, okay, and modulus, let's make it this. 6 modulus 2.
0.
0.
Yeah, here we get 4 as the remainder. 4 modulus 2 is 0. All right, so let's move to, guys, practice tasks. Let's move to practice tasks. All right, let me open the there's 7 numbers that represent. All right, here's one more thing, guys, to show you. Examples. These are the examples. What's gonna be this, guys? Modulus 10.
2.
It's 2. All right. Look at here, guys, and you're gonna notice something. Modulus 10.
9.
9.
192 modulus 10.
2.
2.
2. And then modulus 10. 9.
9.
9.
All right, did you notice here something?
Yes. 2, 9, 2, 9.
When you do some number, modulus 10, you always get the last digit.
Digits.
You always get last digit. All right. How about this? 45 divided by 10.
5.
5.
Is it 5?
4.5.
0 or 5.
It is 4, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, if it's integer, then it's 4. For doubles, it's 4.5. You're correct. All right, how about this, guys? 9,876 divided by 10 modulus 10.
0. 9876.
Let's say we have, let's say, guys, these are integers. They're not doubles, okay? So this is an int. All of them are ints. So what's going to be the result here?
7
7.
maybe.
Seven.
7.
Yes, 7.
It's going to be 7, guys. It's going to be 7. So let's break down. Let's break it down.
9, 8, 7.
So first, this
Modulus.
one comes first, modulo. 9,876 divided by 10. What's the result?
987.
987, because it removes the 6. Calculator. 9,876 divided by 10. If it's integer, guys, it rounds it to the lower number. It rounds it down to 987. No. Multiplication is first. First is multiplication. If modulus is first, then it's modulus. So the multiplication, division, modulus, they have equal importance. They have equal importance.
In this case, why is the equal? We have to, yes, in multiplication, yes, why is the same?
Yeah. So they have equal importance. If division comes first, then we start with division. If modulus would come first, then we would start with modulus.
But in previous case, we were just, you were doing an example.
Here. No.
On the top, like 10 multiplying 10 and 5. Yes.
Where is it?
Yeah, this one. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
The top, 8.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were making first modulus and then
No.
multiplying.
No, I didn't make it. 10 times 5, it's 50. Modulus 10, it's 0. 5 modulus 10, what is it, guys? If you count it like this, 5 modulus 10, it is 5. This one becomes 5. And it would be 50 if you begin with modulo.
But in this
Okay, let's look at this. Let's look at here. How did you get 0 here? You thought it begins with modulus and you told me it's 0, right?
No, because yes, some lady was answering that it's 0.
Some lady, which is Gulkhair, she told me it's 0. I believe it is 0. The answer is 0. Let's check it out.
No, I didn't say.
No, 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 look, you said 0 and it is correct. It is 0.
Uh,
Yeah. All right. It is 0. So how does it work?
Yeah, 5 modulus 10 is 0. And 10 times 0 is 0. Right?
No, no, it doesn't work like this. 5 modulus 10. What is it?
5.
It is 5.
Yes.
As I
Ah,
explained
5.
you before, do you remember?
Yes.
Here. Okay, it wasn't here. It was in other example right here. If I showed you
Bigger.
here. I removed it, but I showed you here this 100 modulus 500.
It's out.
Ah, yes. I forgot
Remainder
already.
is 100. It's the first number. It's the first number. So 5 modulus 10. It is 5.
5.
5.
It's the answer. It's the rule. 5 modulus 10. It is
5.
5. The number itself. Because no, not okay. Not okay. Let's discuss it. So 5 modulus 10. We get 5 because can you divide 5 by 10? Yeah, but if it's yeah, we get some number like 0 point, but let's take it as a rule. The number is gonna be the first number. Why? Because it's less. It's less. Let's try this. 5 divided by 10. It is 0. So if we do modulus, there is a rule. There is a rule. It's gonna be 5. System out print line. 100, 3 modulus 2. What is it? 1. Because we can divide it. How about 5?
3.
3. We cannot divide it. That's why 3 is gonna be the remainder. Do you remember this? I believe you all studied at school, yeah? So 5 divided by 6. Can you divide it like if you cannot, you do something like this, right? Like you add here 0, but let's take this scenario. We don't add 0. Can you divide it? No.
No.
It's the remainder is gonna be there 5. The remainder. It's gonna you can do it like 0. You add here 0. Like we can do this way also. You add here 0, you get here 0, then it is
8.
5. No, not 5.
8.
8 and some.
48.
Let's take this way. So you cannot divide it. You get 5. And it's not this number. This number is different number. This number is the result of the division. Let's learn it just as a rule. 3 modulus 5. It is
3.
7 modulus 23.
7.
7. How about this? 10 divided by, all right, let me check this. 10 multiplied by 5 modulus 10. All right, the question is, which one is first, multiplication or modulus?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. It's a precedence.
Precedence first.
Yes.
The importance of this multiplication, division, modulus is equal. They have equal importance. So precedence begins from here. It is 50 modulus 10 is 0. This is how we got here 0.
So basically, if we can divide it, always first numbers come first, comes as a remainder, right?
Maybe, yeah. Can you explain your, I didn't get you.
So basically, if we can divide it like 3 remainder of 6, it's not, we cannot get the remainder. That's why we are getting first the
Yeah.
number,
Let's
right?
let's
As
let's
a
let's take it like this. And then in Java, this modulus is gonna be used only in 2 cases. How can you find out if number is even or not even? What's even number? Even number is the one like
If
23,
2, 4,
6,
8, 10.
100.
when there is no remainder.
No, no,
Even means
not about
Четные числа, да?
odd number. It's 1, 7,
1, 3,
7.
7, 9.
And then this modulus is used to check if number is even number or odd number only in Java. We don't use it to find the remainder in Java. We use it to find if the number is even or not. Is it even number?
no, it's
odd,
Odd.
odd number.
25.
What number?
It's odd number. We know it. I can read it. We have eyes, but computer doesn't have eyes. It should calculate it. So how does it calculate it in Java? Modulus 2. What's the result for this one?
1 remainder.
1 remain.
Modulus 1. Mhm.
If there is remainder, we call it odd number. Let me do this. 28 modulus 2. What's the remainder?
0.
0. It's even number. So
Yeah.
if you get 0 when you do modulus 2, it's even number. We use modulus just for this to check if it's even number or odd number. All right. There was another thing. I told you we're gonna break it down.
On previous example, could you go up? Yeah, I mean, this orders, I mean, this, on this example, you were just saying the last numbers and.
Line. Which one is it?
I mean, the 13 or.
Yeah, this lines, right?
Yes.
Then it is correct. Look,
What number?
12 modulus 10. What is it? 1 whole number, 2 is a remainder. 19 modulus 10.
What number?
No, it's not about even number or odd number. What's you asked? You asked, how do we get the last number? So 19 modulus 10, it's 9. Why? Because 1 is a whole number, 9 is a remainder. And it works with all numbers. 192 modulus 10. It is 2. Because you get 19 as a whole number, and then remainder is 2. Like 10 times 19. I can tell you this.
What number?
When you, no, this one is odd, this one is even, this one is odd. It doesn't depend from even or odd. What works here is this concept. When you make modulus 10 for any number, it will return you last digit. This is the rule. What's the modulus of this? Modulus 10.
6.
6.
So this is just a concept. When you make modulus 10 for any number, you get the last digit. How about this, guys? 1 modulus 10. We get the last digit.
1.
Or single, that the one that we have. It is 1.
1.
for this 24 modulus 10
4.
4. This is a rule. When you make modulus 10, you get the last digit. All right. Let's break down this one. 523 divided by 10 modulus 10. Which one should be division, right? It's division.
Yeah.
How about this case? What's the result for this expression?
2.
2.3. Yeah. 2.
Let's
Two.
check it out. Let's check it out here.
2.
Yes,
Come out
2.
to find 523
Divided by 10.
divided by 10. What's the result?
52.
52.3.
There are no points because these are int numbers.
Yeah, 52.
52
If
then.
you put here 0, then it's going to
52.
be this number, but it's whole numbers. So the answer is 52. If I
So-
add here modulus 10, the
Two.
result is 2, right? 52 modulus 10 is 2. All right. Let's do this, guys. So task 1. Task 1. Here inside the day 15 package, create a class. Inside the day 15 package, create a class task 1 and a main method. Inside the day 15 package, create this class and its main method. Did you create it?
Yes.
All right, guys. Next step. How about this task, guys? Do you find it difficult or not? Do you know what's how to find the average number? Yeah.
Yes.
Let's say we have this number, 76, 78, 98, or let me open this. Right here. The weather for this 7 days. Today, next day, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, here, 7 days. Let's take the maximum, 94. It was for today. 94. Let me guys list here all maximum weather degrees for these days in Fahrenheit. 94 plus 98,
98.
85, 84, 83. Oh, look at this, guys. Did you
Oh.
notice that it comes down?
Yeah.
There's something like decrement, right? 80,
Uh-huh.
84, 83, 82, and 77
Mm.
plus 77. How can we find their average?
We sum them and divide by 7.
The
Yeah,
average
they
of
know.
maximum of the Fahrenheit. Sum, is it gonna be the average?
No, divide by 7.
Divided by 7. All right. So you need to create this, guys. First, create a scanner object. Create a scanner object. Next, declare. Right, let me return this. Copy it. I'll need this. Create a scanner object. Declare 7 double variables. Declare 7 double variables and assign values taken from console. So let me do this. Create these variables, day 1, or something like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Create this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. Declare the 7 double variables and then use scanner object to assign values from console to enter and assign values from console. Next, print the average Fahrenheit maximum for this week. In the output, it's gonna be like this. You enter 94, 98, 85, 84, 83, 82, 77. It should ask you 7 times. And then you should print this. 94 plus 98 plus. So actually I have it here. Model division 7. All right. Let's find out. Where is the calculator? 94 plus 98 plus 85 plus 84 plus 83 plus 82 plus 77. 7. The average for this week is 86.1 F. Do like this. So you should print the following. You can clarify if something is not clear. It should be very clear. You should create this object, scanner object, declare 7 double variables, use scanner object to enter and assign values from console, print the average Fahrenheit. All right, I'm gonna send you, all my students, another link.